Fire sprinkler. Welcome to our course on fire sprinklers. In this session, we will explore the essential components and functionalities of fire sprinkler systems. These systems are critical for effective fire protection in buildings. Understanding their design and operation is vital for ensuring safety. Let's begin our journey into the world of fire sprinklers and their importance in firefighting. Introduction to fire sprinklers. Fire sprinklers are an active fire protection measure designed to suppress fires. They consist of a comprehensive system including water supply, piping, sprinkler heads, and valves. Fire sprinklers were established in the late 1880s to enhance building safety. Their effectiveness in controlling fires has made them a standard in fire protection. Understanding how these systems work is essential for all safety professionals. Key components of fire sprinkler systems. The key components of fire sprinkler systems include the water supply system, piping, and sprinkler heads. The water supply system is responsible for providing the necessary water for firefighting. Piping distributes water from the supply to the sprinkler heads throughout the building. Sprinkler heads are designed to activate upon heat detection, releasing water to suppress fires. Each component must work in harmony to ensure effective fire protection. Water supply system, ensuring adequate flow. The water supply system connects to municipal supplies or dedicated storage tanks. In some cases, pumps are included to maintain adequate pressure for the system. Ensuring an adequate flow of water is essential for effective firefighting operations. The design of the supply system must account for the building's specific needs. Regular assessments of the water supply ensure reliability during emergencies. Piping system design and installation. The piping system is responsible for distributing water from the supply to the various sprinkler heads. The size and type of piping depend on the layout of the building and the required flow rates. Proper installation is critical to ensure that the system functions effectively under pressure. Design considerations include minimizing bends and ensuring proper support for pipes. Regular inspections of the piping system help prevent leaks and ensure integrity. Sprinkler heads, features and functions. Sprinkler heads are crucial components that detect heat and release water to suppress fires. They are strategically placed throughout the building to maximize coverage. Each head is activated by heat-sensitive elements that react when temperatures rise. The design of sprinkler heads can vary based on the specific application and environment. Understanding their features is essential for effective fire protection planning. Integration of alarm systems with sprinklers. Integrating alarm systems with fire sprinklers enhances overall safety and response times. These systems alert building occupants and emergency services during a fire event. The alarms can be triggered by sprinkler heads or smoke detectors in the vicinity. This integration is integral for timely evacuation and effective firefighting efforts. Regular testing of alarm systems ensures they function properly when needed. Control valves. Role and importance. Control valves play a vital role in regulating water flow within the sprinkler system. They allow for the isolation of specific sections to prevent water damage during maintenance. Proper management of control valves is essential for ensuring system reliability. During emergencies, these valves can be critical for directing water flow where needed. Regular maintenance of control valves ensures their functionality and accessibility. Pressure gauges, monitoring system integrity. Pressure gauges are essential for monitoring the water pressure within the sprinkler system. They provide critical data that can indicate potential supply issues or system malfunctions. Maintaining proper pressure is vital for the effective operation of fire sprinklers. Regular checks of pressure gauges help ensure the system is ready for emergencies. Understanding pressure readings is crucial for all personnel involved in fire safety. Fire department connections, standards and compliance. Fire department connections allow firefighters to supplement the water supply during emergencies. These connections must comply with established standards to ensure effective operations. Accessibility to these connections is critical for rapid emergency response. Regular inspections ensure that these connections are functional and ready for use. Maintaining compliance with regulations enhances overall fire safety preparedness. Advantages of fire sprinkler systems. Fire sprinkler systems provide numerous advantages, including minimizing property damage during fires. They protect lives by effectively controlling the spread of fire within buildings. Insurance premiums can be reduced through the implementation of sprinkler systems, mitigating risks. These systems are reliable and can significantly enhance safety in high-risk environments. Understanding these benefits is essential for advocating for fire sprinkler installations. Types of fire sprinkler systems. There are various types of fire sprinkler systems, including wet pipe, dry pipe, pre-action, and deluge systems. Each type serves different environments and specific firefighting needs. The selection of a sprinkler system type is based on the unique requirements of the building. Understanding the differences between these systems is crucial for effective fire protection. Proper assessment ensures that the most suitable system is chosen for each application. Wet pipe systems, overview and applications. Wet pipe systems are permanently charged with water, making them the most common and reliable type. These systems are ideal for most environments but are not suitable for freezing conditions. Their straightforward design allows for quick activation during a fire event. Understanding the application of wet pipe systems is crucial for effective fire safety. Regular maintenance ensures that these systems remain functional and reliable. Dry pipe systems, features and uses. Dry pipe systems are charged with air, allowing water to flow only when the pressure drops. These systems are typically used in unheated areas such as warehouses and garages. While they provide effective fire protection, they are more complex and require higher maintenance. Understanding their features helps in selecting the appropriate system for specific environments. Regular checks of dry pipe systems are essential to ensure functionality. Pre-action systems, functionality and benefits. Pre-action systems combine features of both wet and dry pipe systems for enhanced safety. Water flows only after a secondary event, such as smoke detection, preventing unnecessary water damage. These systems are ideal for high-value areas where protecting assets is critical. Understanding the functionality of pre-action systems is essential for effective fire protection. Regular testing and maintenance ensure these systems are ready for emergencies. Deluge systems, design and implementation. Deluge systems release water simultaneously from all sprinkler heads for rapid fire suppression. These systems are commonly used in high-hazard areas such as chemical storage facilities. Deluge systems require a dedicated water supply and high-pressure pumps for operation. Understanding their design and implementation is crucial for effective fire safety. Regular maintenance ensures that deluge systems function properly when needed. Installation guidelines for fire sprinklers. When installing fire sprinklers, considerations must include temperature and risk factors. Building occupancy and layout significantly influence the installation process. Proper placement of sprinkler heads is essential for maximizing coverage and effectiveness. Following installation guidelines ensures compliance with safety standards. Regular inspections post-installation help verify system readiness for emergencies. Understanding different sprinkler head types. Sprinkler heads come in various types, including upright and pendant designs. Choosing the right type of head depends on the specific application and property needs. Installation methods and placement significantly affect the effectiveness of fire response. Understanding these differences is crucial for ensuring optimal performance. Regular training on head types helps personnel respond effectively during emergencies. Operational mechanism, how fire sprinklers work. Fire sprinklers operate by activating the heat-sensitive element in the sprinkler head. When the temperature rises, water sprays to suppress the fire effectively. Individual heads activate based on heat detection, minimizing water damage to unaffected areas. Understanding the operational mechanism is crucial for effective firefighting strategies. Regular testing of sprinkler systems ensures reliable performance during emergencies. Components of a sprinkler head. A typical sprinkler head includes a frangible bulb and a fusible link as critical components. Each part plays a specific role in activating the sprinkler system during a fire. The design of these components is tailored to meet specific application needs. Regular inspections of sprinkler heads ensure they are functioning properly. Understanding the components helps in maintaining the effectiveness of the system. Control valves, types and functions. Control valves, such as OS and Y valves, regulate water flow and pressure within the system. These valves are designed for easy operation and maintenance to ensure reliability. They provide tight seals to prevent leaks, maintaining system integrity. Regular checks and maintenance of control valves are essential for optimal performance. Understanding their function is crucial for effective fire protection management. Post indicator valve, PIV purpose and importance. The post indicator valve controls the water supply and provides visibility for firefighters. This valve is important for quick access during emergencies to ensure effective response. Regular testing of PIVs is necessary to ensure they operate correctly when needed. Understanding the role of PIVs enhances overall operational effectiveness. Maintaining these valves contributes to a reliable firefighting system. Alarm check valves, ensuring system reliability. Alarm check valves ensure proper flow of water and alert systems during emergencies. They monitor the operational integrity of the sprinkler system to prevent failures. Regular maintenance of alarm check valves is critical for ensuring system performance. Understanding their role helps in maintaining a reliable fire protection system. Testing these valves regularly ensures they function as intended. Water motor gong. The water motor gong alerts personnel when water flows in the sprinkler system. This audible warning enhances situational awareness during activation events. Effective communication during emergencies is critical for safety and response. Regular testing of the water motor gong ensures it functions properly. Understanding its role contributes to overall fire safety management. Importance of fire sprinklers for safety. Fire sprinklers provide quick detection and suppression of fires, protecting lives and property. Regular maintenance of these systems ensures their reliability when needed. Understanding the importance of sprinklers is vital for building safety management. Training occupants on the system can enhance overall emergency preparedness. Effective fire safety measures significantly reduce risks associated with fires. Troubleshooting common failures in sprinkler systems. In the event of a failure, it is important to notify authorities and shut off the water supply. Documenting incidents allows for future reference and analysis of issues. Contacting professionals for repairs ensures that the system is restored promptly. Understanding troubleshooting procedures enhances overall system reliability. Regular training on these procedures prepares personnel for emergency situations. Selection criteria for fire sprinkler systems. When selecting fire sprinkler systems, use approved materials per FM/L and local civil defense standards. Ensuring compliance with project specifications is crucial for safety and performance. Maintaining valid certifications during inspections is essential for regulatory compliance. Understanding these criteria helps in making informed decisions for fire safety. Regular audits of materials and systems ensure ongoing compliance. Step-by-step installation process. The installation of fire sprinklers should be designed by licensed engineers for safety. Obtaining necessary permits is essential before running pipes throughout the building. Connecting to the water supply and testing for functionality ensures readiness. Following a structured installation process enhances overall safety and compliance. Regular inspections post-installation verify that the system is operational. Ongoing maintenance practices for sprinklers. Ongoing maintenance practices include regular inspections and testing of systems. Ensuring compliance with local regulations is critical for safety and effectiveness. Keeping records of maintenance activities supports accountability and reliability. Understanding the importance of maintenance enhances system performance. Regular updates on maintenance practices ensure ongoing compliance with standards. Training requirements for personnel. Building occupants must be trained on the proper use of the fire sprinkler system. Familiarizing individuals with the locations of valves and hoses is essential for effectiveness. Emergency drills should include protocols related to the sprinkler system. Regular training sessions help ensure that everyone is prepared for emergencies. Understanding the training requirements is crucial for enhancing overall safety. Future developments in fire sprinkler technology. Future developments may include smart technology integration for better monitoring capabilities. The use of eco-friendly firefighting agents is becoming increasingly important. Advancements in materials will enhance durability and performance of systems. Staying informed about these developments is crucial for fire safety professionals. Embracing innovation can lead to more effective fire protection strategies. Thank you. Thank you for participating in this course on fire sprinklers. I hope you found the information valuable for understanding their role in fire protection. Our next class will focus on foam water sprinkler systems, where we will explore further essential concepts in fire safety. We look forward to seeing you there.